guys, our dish for today is nilarang na isda. So here are the ingredients for our nilarang na isda. So we have here yellowfin fish, we have sour fruit, black beans, we have our garlic, vinegar, onion, spring onion, and ginger. We have here cooking oil, one bowl of water. Okay, procedure natin in cooking. Gisahin natin yung ating bawang tsaka sibuyas. Pwede na natin ilagay yung ating yellowfin fish. So simmer natin siya for about 5 minutes until yung ating isda is totally maluto. Okay, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating black beans. Then, yung ating sour fruit, konting suka, then pwede na natin ilagay yung ating water. So, hayaan natin kumulo yung ating nilarang na isda until maluto siya. Okay, luto na ang ating nilarang na isda. So, pwede na natin siyang iserve. So, ito na ang ating nilarang na isda. Try guys!